Kaizer Chiefs legend Itumeleng Khune has stirred controversy with his recent criticism of the club's current first-choice goalkeeper, Bruce Vouma. The 37-year-old veteran, who has had an illustrious career with both Chiefs and Bafana Bafana, claimed that Vouma is underperforming because he failed to take his advice seriously. Khune went further, drawing comparison between Vouma and the current Bafana Bafana shortstopper Ronwen Williams, alleging that Williams' success stems from his willingness to learn, something he believes Vouma lacks. However, outspoken remarks haven't sat well with many Amakosi supporters who feel Khune is in no position to cast stones. Fans quickly took to social media to defend Vouma and critique Khune's comments, pointing out that former captain's performances in his final years were far from impressive. One said, "The worst thing about Chiefs' goalkeeping department is that Vouma is the best goalkeeper we have. Imagine having the best option who plays badly." Khune was also horrible in his last few years. It's surprising how much he's been running his mouth lately just because he was good 10 years ago. Another fan reminded Khune of his own shortcomings at the national level and said, "Hey Khune, Ronwen Williams has been better than you, though you arrived at Bafana Bafana earlier than him." Others emphasized Vouma's progression within the club and said Vouma started to play for the first team before Sipho Chain, which should tell you something. Another one said, "We once had Kabelo Metsi, who was the worst development goalkeeper, so relax. Vouma only needs to sharpen his confidence on crosses, that's it." Khune's comments come at a turbulent time for Kaizer Chiefs, who are grappling with inconsistency and rebuilding efforts. As a long-time servant of the club, he insists carry weight, but his delivery may have done more harm than good. While Khune may have intended to motivate, his approach has instead reignited debates around loyalty, legacy, and the fine line between constructive criticism and personal attack. Whether Vouma uses this moment to rise above the scrutiny or falters under pressure remains to be seen. But one thing is clear, the conversation around Chiefs goalkeeping continues to divide opinions. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.